That sucker's getting ready to take off. It's crazy. This is the PDX airport. Right here is the Willamette River. Yeah, it's pretty crazy day out here in Portland, Oregon. I don't know if I'd be taking a plane, but that right over there is Washington. So basically, we live right here on the border that divides Washington from Oregon. And as you can see, I'm going about 20 miles an hour. I was going about 35, almost 40, until all these people just pulled out in front of me. But here's a cool airplane. It's getting ready to take off. I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch it, considering that I'm driving through the snow. People are driving at me. Looks like some snow's coming off me here. Oh, maybe he's not. Maybe he's actually going to turn around here. That's what's going on. Delta Force. Yeah, no, he's going down there to turn around so that he can get ready to catch some speed, come back around. And then that one right down there, Alaska Airlines, he's getting ready to take off too. On the way back, maybe I'll chill out and get some plane taken in and off footage, because I think it's cool. I like to come down here and watch these planes in the summer when it's nice and warm and just chill back. Reminds me of that movie Wayne's World. Anyways,